Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to access Firefox browser history uh, with Python. To read Firefox browser history on Linux using Python, we can access the places.sqlite file where Firefox store its browsing history. So if you have Linux, Ubuntu like operating system, you can open a terminal and we can locate the places.sqlite. So what we're gonna do here, locate and do places.sqlite. And this is the link we are interested in. So I'm just gonna copy this one and paste it here and then assign to some variable or just send to a function. So we are going to do that. First, we are going to import SQLite 3 and import OS, then set path to the places SQLite file. So this is our profile path, and we are going to use os that path dot expand user, and we are going to surround with the double quotes, and we are now going to connect to the SQLite database. Get the connection with the SQLite 3 dot connect, and I'm just gonna pass in a profile path. Then we get the cursor by using connections cursor. Now it's time to query to get history. So we're gonna do query, go select URL, title, visit count, last visit date. So this is the query to grab the data. So we're just gonna do last visit date from was places order by last visit date in descending order. Space here, and this is underscore. I will provide the link to this code also under the description of my video. So for now, we are going to do cursor dot execute query. We are going to execute the query and fetch and print results for row in cursor dot fetch all. We're gonna do print, use f string, print the URL, row and index 0, title, row at index 1, then visit count, visit count, row at index 2. Then we have lost visit date. Need to close this one. Lost visit date. This will be row at index 3. And a new line. Now we just need to close the connection. We do close with the database, and we are going to run it from our terminal. So need to just type Python 3 or Python in the name of the script, Firefox.py, and hit enter. And here is the history of URL from my Firefox browser. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.